Hey guys, it's Mike from Love to Wander. We're up here at Mission Creek this weekend. Here is our new tent. It's an Alps Mountaineering Chaos 3. It's our first time setting it up, first time sleeping in it. Our old tent, or our other tent, is the Alps Mountaineering Zephyr 2. Scott was saying this is the Chaos 3. Our standard sleeping gear, outdoor vinyl quilts with Trekology UL80 sleep pads. Susan's got her thermarest just for a little extra padding. Trekology pillows, Trekology air mats. Lots of room in here, which is nice. There's enough for 3 people in here. It's gonna be nice to have just 2. Got a little space in between us. Nice 2 big vestibules, one on each side.